I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the circuit safe. Park, turn the key off, and disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent backfeed. Once done, set your digital multimeter to continuity or the lowest ohms range and confirm the leads beep by touching them together. Next, identify the specific wire or component you'll test and remove its fuse or unplug its connector so you measure only the target circuit. This prevents parallel paths from giving misleading continuity readings. With the circuit isolated, probe both ends of the wire or component. Make firm contact on bare metal or pin contacts. You're listening for a beep or looking for near 0 ohms, which means continuity, versus high resistance or open loop indicating a break. For switches or connectors, actuate them while probing to reveal intermittent faults. Wiggle harnesses to reproduce movement-related opens. Keep in mind corrosion raises resistance, so a partial reading may require cleaning contacts before concluding the part is bad. To finish, reassemble what you isolated, reinstall fuses or connectors, and reconnect the battery negative only after confirming safe conditions. If you found an unexpected open, trace the wire visually and feel for breaks, then test nearby components individually to narrow the fault. Make sure to use back probing on connectors and consult the vehicle wiring diagram to follow circuits through branches and grounds. If readings remain confusing, a second meter or doing voltage drop tests can pinpoint grounding or high resistance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.